Hello, my name is Luna. I was born in France, so I'm from France, and I have been in Taiwan for a year and a half almost. So to choose this specific MBA, I looked at all the good, like the best universities in Taiwan, and I looked for all the universities that have a MBA in English in Taipei. NTNU was the only one, so that's why I chose NTNU and MBA. My experience about studying in the Graduate Institute of Management in NTNU have been, I think, one of my favorite experiences in the studying, because I met so many amazing people from everywhere in the world. The teachers are really nice. Everything is in English. The classes are amazing too. So yeah, for my experience, it's been amazing. The title is really long, so I'm gonna read it. It's called The Art of Marketing, Sun Tzu's Modern Managerial Implication. And so I took this class 1 semester ago, so in spring 2024. The class is about how we can read Sun Tzu's book and interpret it in managerial type of situation, a context. And I really loved that class. It was amazing. We were not so many students, I don't really know why. But the whole class was about reading a part of the book of Sun Tzu or reading articles, and then we will all debate about, like we had like 5 teams, and we will all debate about what we read and talk about it together. And it was really a class that we're not really taking notes and listening to the professor. We were like all teaching each other what we learned from what we read, and I think that was a really interesting way of teaching this class. And I remember a lot from this class because it was so interesting, and I was always there. I never missed one class. The number one would be like just apply and see. Learn English a lot because everything's gonna be in English, and I think it's an amazing opportunity, especially when you are outgoing, sociable, like you're always with people, always talking, always making friends, always hanging out with them. So just be open to other culture, be friendly, and don't have any cliche, any prejudice, and come to NTNU and come to the MBA, and you're gonna learn a lot.